In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your pump lid so that you can clean your pump basket. First thing we need to do is make sure that the pool pump is off, and then we need to look at the elevation of our pool pump. If we are lower than the pool height, we will need to shut off the valves that will stop water from flooding backwards. Then we just simply unscrew the lid. A little bit of water is normal. Pull out our basket, empty it of all the debris it may have caught, and then when we put it back in, we need to make sure that one of these holes is in line with the pipework. Push it all the way to the bottom, and then simply screw the lid back on until it bites, and then just give it another little half turn. Before we turn the pump back on, we need to remember to reopen the shut-off valves so that water flow can continue.